Hi children, this is lecture number 6, slide number 21. So this is regarding the meaning of EMF. Now several times uh, most of us what we think is basically most of us what we think is what is a EMF and potential difference? Are they same? EMF and potential difference. Potential difference and EMF. Are they same? Some children have a idea that they are same, but children they are different. So basically, it is the difference. It is the difference between the electrode potentials it is the difference between the electrode potentials of two electrodes at any condition, at any given condition. Whereas EMF is the potential difference between the two electrodes of SL when no current is flowing in the circuit. Meaning, so this is representing generally an open circuit. This is generally representing an open circuit. So only when the open circuit the current will not be withdrawn from it. This is the first point of difference. Second point, potential difference it is less than the maximum voltage. It is less than the maximum voltage obtainable from the cell. Whereas EMF is the maximum voltage it is less than the maximum voltage obtainable from the cell, whereas this is the maximum voltage obtainable from the cell. That is the difference. Next, measurement of potential difference is very important. Potential difference can be measured by a simple voltmeter whereas EMF can be measured by potentiometric method only. potentiometric method only. So what is the meaning of this potentiometric method? EMF sent by the potentiometric source EMF sent by the potentiometric source is equal and opposite to that of the cell, and there is no current flowing in the circuit. And it cannot be measured by voltmeter. It cannot be measured by voltmeter, which draws current. Okay, this is how measurement is done. Last point, differences. Potential difference is not responsible for the flow of steady current in the circuit, whereas EMF is responsible for the flow of steady current in the circuit. So this is, children, the very important mind-blowing differences between EMF and potential difference. Okay, great. Thank you.